A special washing machine. Does this shop sell washing machine? Yes. This is the latest washing machine. Is it Swedish? No, madam. It's English. Could you show me how it works? Shall I give you a demonstration? This one is our special demonstration machine. It's so simple. You take some sheets and shirts. You put them in the machine. You shut this door and you push the button. The machine shouldn't shake like that, should it? Washing machines always shake, madam. Ah, it's finished now. But the sheet has shrunk, so had the shirts. Do you wish to buy this machine, madam? I'm not sure.